Hello, students and friends. Meenakshi Sinha is here from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. एक geometrical problem for class 12th onward कंपटीशन के लिए कोर्स में बोर्ड में आने के लिए भी 10th क्लास के बोर्ड में भी ये क्वेश्चन आता है. एक टिपिकल क्वेश्चन है जो हर तरह की कंपटीशन में आता है. दैट इज इन यूपीएससी में आता है, आईएफएस में आता है, एनडीए में आ गया है, एसएससी में आता है, एएमयू में आता है, गेट में भी आता है. कई तरह के कंपटीशन है. रेलवे सर्विसेज में आता है, पुलिस सर्विसेज में आता है, सब इंस्पेक्टर के लिए आता है. इस तरह के कंपटीशंस में प्रैक्टिस ज़रूरी है. इसलिए मैं आपको ये कंपटीशन के लिए पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन इज दैट दिस द ट्रायंगल एबीसी is the arms of which are given to us. This is 6 centimeter. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. By mistake it is not written. AC is equal to 8 centimeter, AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 10 centimeter. Under this condition, we have to find the value of AO, OB and OC, where O is the center of the circle inscribed inside this. यानी कि एक ऐसा सर्कल बना हुआ है एबीसी ट्रायंगल के अंदर जो इसके ऊपर टेंजेंट, इसके सर्कमफ्रेंस पे AB टेंजेंट है एट पॉइंट E, BC tangent है at point F and CA tangent है at point G. उसका सेंटर O है. उस केस में we have to find the value of OA, OB and OC. Tangent है, it means if it is tangent, then if we drop the perpendicular from the center of the circle, it will touch at E and make the 90 degree on this AB. And this will be equal to OE will be equal to R. Okay. Same if it is the condition over here. If we drop the perpendicular on CB from O, it will by virtue touch on the touching point, tangent point F. And this OF will also be equal to R. This. Same over here. इसको टच कर दे तो ये भी 90 डिग्री बनेगा. This will be also equal to R. Our question is to find the value of OA, OB and OC. OA, OB can be obtained by means of the Pythagoras theory, as per which this square will be equal to this square plus this square. It means first of all we have to find the value of R and value of this. Let us suppose this is equal to X. AE is equal to X. If AE is equal to X, then this will remain, this totally is equal to 6, then this is equal to 6 minus X. यानी AE is equal to X and EB is equal to 6 minus X. Okay? Okay. Except this, because this is the B external point, this is the A external point, this is also tangent, this is also tangent. It means this AG will also be equal to, because these from external point A, एक बाह्य बिंदु से दो टेंजेंट ड्रॉ की गई हैं at the point E and at the point G, so that AE will also be equal to AG. Then AE will also be equal to AG. AG is equal to AE is equal to X. Clear? This is X. Okay. Same over here. This is the external point. This is also tangent at point F, and from this point, this BE is also a tangent. The value of BE is equal to 6 minus X. It means this will be also equal to 6 minus X. Clear? Okay. Same is the condition over here. This total was 8, out of which this is X. It means CE will be 8 minus X. This portion. CG will be equal to 8 minus x. From here, 8 minus x is equal to this. This portion will be 8 minus x. From here till this, 8 minus, because this was 8, this was x. So this is 8 minus x, which is the tangent from C. It means this will also be 8 minus x. It means this will be 8 minus x. Clear? But CB is equal to 10 centimeter. It means 8 minus x plus 6 minus x is equal to 10. Okay? CB is equal to 10 centimeter is equal to the addition of BF plus FC के बराबर है. BF किसके बराबर? BF is 6 minus x minus 6 and ये हमारा 8 minus x is equal to 10. इसका मतलब x की वैल्यू हमारे लिए निकल गई. X को इधर ले 2x. This is equal to 14 minus 10. That is 4. X is equal to 2. This is the value of x is equal to 2. This is notable. ये हमारे x की वैल्यू आ गई. It means हमें सब पोर्शन की वैल्यू पता चल जाएगी. 1. अब now we have to find the value of r. Somehow r अगर हमें पता चल जाए, then we can apply the formula of Pythagoras. Then x square plus r square will be the value of OA. Same is the condition over here. 6 minus x yani 4 square plus r square will be the value of this. In this triangle, 8 minus x will be 6 square plus r square is equal to this. ठीक है? 8 minus 2 हो जाएगा whole square plus r square will be this. Now our aim is to find out the value of r somehow. Now what we can do? r की वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? इसके लिए क्या है? ये ABC is the triangle. All the three arms are given to us. By have a look on this situation. एक फॉर्मूला हमारा दिमाग में आता है that area of the triangle ABC, all the three sides of which are given to us can be written as per the formula S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole root. This will be the area. As per this formula, where S is what? Where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. In our case, S is equal to 6. This is AB plus BC plus CA. That is 6 plus 10 plus 8. 6 plus 10 plus 8 by 2. There is a 24 by 2. It is 12. It means S is equal to 12 in our case. So that the area will be equal to root of 12 into 12 minus A is equal to 12 minus 6 into 12 minus 10 into 12 minus 8. We'll get here what? Root of 12 into this is into 6. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. This is 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. 2 into 2, 4. That is 12 into 2. This is the value 24 of area. A. This area is equal to 24 centimeters square. Now this area can also be obtained by adding individual areas of these three triangles. OAB, area of OAB plus angle of OBC plus area of OAC. So this area, this is also the area of triangle OAB plus OBC, triangle OBC plus triangle OCA. ये अभी लिखा जा सकता है. ओके, क्लियर, लिखते हैं. दिस इज 24. दिस इज नथिंग बट 24. एरिया ऑफ OAB. OAB. This is the base. This is perpendicular, which is R. 1 by 2 R into AB plus 1 by 2. This is base 10 centimeter into R. R into CBC plus 1 by 2 of this. This is base AC into R. AC into R. ठीक है. R1 by 2R can be taken as a common one. Inside the bracket will get AB is equal to 6, CB is equal to 10, and CA is equal to 8. That is 1 by 2 into R is equal to 24. R by 2 into 24. This is 12R. It means 24 is equal to 12R. It means R is equal to 24 by 12, that is 2. R is equal to 2. X is also equal to 2. R is also equal to 2. This is very much clear. This is number 2, which is very helpful for you. अब हम OA पैथागोरस से निकाल सकते हैं. Now, first case, number 1 case. OA square, this can be written as OE square plus AE square. OE square is equal to what? OE R square plus OE square is equal to X square. The value of R or X both are 2. It means 2 square plus 2 square, yani 4 plus 4, that is 8. Then hence OA will be equal to, if OA square is equal to 8, it means OA is equal to 2 root 2. Number 1. This is number 2. This is the answer number 1 for OA. Okay. Now, second one, OB. OB square. OB square. OB square in this triangle OEB. OB square can be written as OE square plus EB square, where OE is equal to R square plus EB. EB is equal to 6 minus X. 6 minus X means 4 square. That is 4. R is equal to 2. Hence square of R is equal to 4. And 4 square is equal to 16. That is 20. It means OB will be equal to root of 20. That is 5 fours are 20. So that 2 root 5. This is the second answer for us. ये दूसरा आंसर आ गया हमारा. OA हो गया, OB. Now OC. OC. Third one, OC. OC square. OC square. In this triangle. OC चाहे इसमें ले लीजिए चाहे इसमें लीजिए. Whatever the triangle you can take it. तो OC square this can be written, इससे भी करेंगे तब भी वही आंसर आएगा, उसमें भी आएगा. R square plus 8 minus R square. This is OF square plus FC square. That is R square plus 8 minus X. OF is equal to 8 minus X. X is equal to 2. 8 minus X is equal to 6 square. R is equal to 2. It means 4 plus 36, that is 40. It means OC square is equal to 40, or OC is equal to root of 40. Root of 40 is equal to 10 4 is 40. So 4 can be taken out of root, so that it can be written 2 root 10. This is the third answer. दिस इज फाइंड ओ ए ओ बी सी. इस क्वेश्चन को और भी आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. इफ the question can be asked also in this way, that find the pairing, find the addition of these OA plus OC plus C, OA plus OB plus OC. इस तरह से पूछा जा सकता है. Then we have to all these three things to be added. This is number 1, this is 2, and this is 3. 3 to be added. Then we can find the summary of the length of these 3. Okay, इसको जोड़ते हैं. अगर फाइनल कर सकते हैं, रूट 2 की वैल्यू होती है 3.14, और रूट 5 की वैल्यू 2.23 शायद होती है, एंड 10 की वैल्यू होती है 3.23, 3.16 टू 10 की 3.1. इसको ऐड कर दीजिए, यू कैन गेट द एडिशन ऑफ दिस. ओके, दिस इज द वे. समझती हूँ कि आपको मजा आया होगा, क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया होगा, और एंजॉय कीजिए मैथ्स को. लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. जिसने पहली बार देखा वो सब्सक्राइब करें, और शेयर भी करें, दूसरों को भी बताएं. मेरा मोटिवेशन बढ़ाएं, मुझे हिम्मत मिलती है. नए नए क्वेश्चंस मैं आपके लिए कंपटीशन के लेके आती हूँ, और लॉगरिथम भी पढ़ाती हूँ, ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन भी पढ़ाती हूँ, 11th के कोर्स भी कराती हूँ. जल्दी मैं 12th के भी शुरू करूँगी. ये कंपटीशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी करती हूँ. ये क्वेश्चन जो है इस तरह का क्वेश्चन है, इसे प्रैक्टिस जब करते हैं तो कंपटीशन में आता है कि उसके अंदर कई सारे स्टेप्स आ गए, लेकिन इसके अंदर एक बच्चा अगर 10th का भी करेगा तो उसके अंदर उसकी पूरी रिवीजन हो गया. आपका इनसाइड द सर्कल, उसका भी रिवीजन हो गया. ट्रायंगल के एरिया का भी रिवीजन हो गया. पाइथागोरस का भी रिवीजन हो गया, और एरिया ऑफ द इस फॉर्मूले का भी रिवीजन हो गया. तो एक क्वेश्चन में 4 रिवीजन हो जाते हैं. इस तरह के अगर क्वेश्चन करेंगे बच्चे तो काफ़ी मैथ्स परफेक्शन हो जाएगा. ये मेरी आपसे गारंटी है, और ये दुआ है कि इस तरह के आप पढ़ते रहें तो प्लीज़ आप 100% मार्क्स लेके आए हर जगह. प्लीज़ बी हैप्पी. गुड नाइट.